Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make this really simple yet delicious quinoa salad recipe that I found online. So if you really like quinoa, then I think you're going to enjoy this dish. First, you'll need a fine mesh strainer. Pour in 1 cup of quinoa and rinse vigorously under running water for approximately 2 minutes. If you do not rinse your quinoa really well, it could cause an upset stomach. So be sure to give it a good rinse. Next, add the quinoa to an empty pot. You're going to pour in 2 cups of water. I do recommend that you use chicken broth instead of water, or if you just do plain water, you can add a little chicken bouillon powder, or you can add some salt to the water. You're going to cook this uncovered on a medium-high heat until it begins to boil. Then drop the heat down to maintain a gentle simmer for about 15 minutes. And after the water is fully absorbed, cover the pot and immediately remove from the heat. Now let the quinoa rest and go ahead and prep your other ingredients. You'll need 1 large cucumber, or you can use half of a cucumber if you prefer. Take the seeds out and dice it up. You'll also need 1 red bell pepper. Remove the top and the pith, then dice it up. You'll also need half of a red onion. And if yours is as bad as mine was, just cut around the bad parts. Just don't forget to rinse it off before chopping. And if you like to mellow out the flavor of the onions a bit, soak in cold water for 10 minutes. I highly recommend you do this. Drain and rinse 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas, and do the same for the onions after 10 minutes have passed. Take some fresh parsley, pluck the leaves off the stem like this. Gather them all together to form into a ball and chop it up. Add 1 cup of the chopped parsley to the vegetables and mix it all together. Next, smash, peel, and mince 2 garlic cloves like this. Now you'll need to make the dressing. You're going to combine a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, which is about 2 to 3 lemons, and then add the minced garlic and give it a good mix, then set it aside. By now your quinoa should be fully cooled down. You're going to combine it with the diced vegetables and give it a really nice mix. Then add the dressing and mix it well. After I did this step, I decided to add some Italian seasoning as well as some black pepper and salt to taste, just to enhance the flavors a little bit more. If you make this, I really do recommend that when you make the quinoa, try to get as much flavor into that quinoa as possible by using chicken broth with some chicken bouillon powder. But aside from that, I think this recipe came together really well. I love that it was very nutritious and it's super easy to make. The combination of the vegetables really added a nice flavor to this dish, and I think it's overall a really nice summertime salad. I will leave the link in the description box to where you can find this recipe online if you'd like to check it out for yourself. Please do me a big favor and click the like button if you enjoyed this video, and I hope to catch you in my next one.